Good morning, LGN. Today is Friday, March 13th, 2026. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart and face the flag. 1, 2, 3. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Friends, please remain standing for the LGN pledge. 1, 2, 3. I respect myself and others too. I am responsible in all I do. I stay safe each and every day because that is the LGN way. We are respectful, we are responsible, we are safe. Little school, big heart. Friends, happy Friday, even if it is Friday the 13th. Ooh. Anyone superstitious out there? Does anyone have any superstitions? I know some that I've heard of are like if a black cat crosses your path, or don't walk under a ladder. If you break a mirror, you get 7 years bad luck. I don't know, is any of that stuff true? I wonder where that came from. I'm not superstitious. I'm just a little stitious. Friends, tomorrow is the 14th of March, which happens to be Pi Day. I just saw Mr. Eric walking into school. He's celebrating a little bit early today with Pi Day. If you're a mathematician, you love math, Pi Day stands for the number 3.14, and you can do a little research about Pi Day. Talk about Pi Day in terms of math. It's different from pumpkin pie or an apple pie, but it does have a lot to do with the shape of a pie, which is kind of neat. So check that out. Also, it's Friday, which means we have our latest Firsty fun facts today, and I'm always excited for that. So thanks to Mrs. Lyons' class for that. I was out yesterday. I was at a conference. I wasn't sick, thank goodness. I was at a conference with other principals. Yes, principals all get together and they talk about school and teachers and kids and how much we love our jobs, even if it's hard sometimes. And I got a chance to see principals from all around the state. I've known a lot of them for about 8 years now, almost as long as I've been a principal. And it's just nice to chat with old friends. I saw one of Mrs. Siddell's friends from the Berkeley Community School, Mrs. Francisco. I saw some of Miss Klinger's friends from the island of Nantucket, where she's from. So that was really neat. And it was just a really nice day. And I got to really think about, honestly, how much I love my job, which is cool, right? I get to talk with other principals and say how much I love doing what I do every day. And I came back to my desk this morning and I've got all these pieces of artwork and gifts. My friend Raylan in first grade gave me this coin. I'm not superstitious at all because I got this lucky gold coin. It's actually chocolate. The date on this is 1972. That's the year before my parents got married. Does anyone know whose face that is, I wonder? Can you see it? Leave that out there for you. Figure out whose face that is. This is a United States $50. There's the back of it. There's the tails. I wonder if you can figure out. I'll give you a hint. It's a president. It's a president of the United States. I also got, let's see, this beautiful picture. I love birds. There's no name on it, though. I have no idea who drew this. Please, let me know. Let me know if it was you. World's tallest principal. I joked yesterday with my principal friends that I hold the unofficial Guinness World Record for tallest principal in all the land. And actually, I had a student write to the Guinness Book of World Records to ask for that record for me, and they told me it was too specialized, which proves that I'm special. So thank you, Guinness. Also, this great picture. There's me, and more proof that I am the world's tallest principal. Thank you, Raven, for that. And last but certainly not least, my friend Ellie, Artist of the Year, seems like. Beautiful tent in the woods. I love camping. But guess what? It's me, Ellie, and King of Math and Pi Day, Sir Gigi. Thank you, Ellie, for that. Came out great. All right, friends, I'm going to hand it over to Mrs. Lyons, first graders, for Firsty Fun Facts. Have a wonderful Friday, a great weekend. I will see you around school. And don't forget, Mr. Higgins and Gigi, enjoy. And Grogu's over there, too. Love you very much. Bye.
Here's another Firsty Fun Fact!
Did you know humans are born with more than 300 bones? But when you get older, you only have 206.
Where did they all go?